What about the batches first? Monica, Prajwal, Mahesh, Nishant, Kiran, whomsoever who are in the meeting. What is the status of the batches? I'm audible? Monica, Mahesh, not maybe whomsoever. Kavya, Manoj. I'm audible, man.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬಂತು? Have you done the batches? Did you fill that Google form which has been sent to you? Which was been sent to you? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait, someone by name Rakesh has requested to join the team. I will join him. So today we shall see one of the mini project, guys. One of the mini project. Either one or two students can take this as a mini project. It's not a, it's not a secret. It's open. So even I have some mini projects, guys. If you people have selected that one, if you people have selected that one, we cannot do anything. If you people have not selected that one, those projects, you can take that as one of your mini project. Okay. So did you people go through the title? There are more number of options, guys. Have people ever tried? At least those people installed. I think Manoj has installed, Basham has installed. One of the girl, I don't know her name. Even she had installed and she had shared me the output. How many of you installed? Reply I. You need to install, guys. You need to install code blocks or Dev C++. The code is same for both. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Installed, Mahima installed, Manoj installed, Kavya installed, Nishant installed. One of our friend, even she had texted me like I have installed. Difference ಏನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. See here, the program and mini project difference is not there. Much of the difference is not there. So both execution and everything is same. Project means it will be in the you should build and you should save it in Word or Notepad, and you need to compile at the time of internals or examination. There is nothing for you to build. There is nothing for you to build. But if you say the, but if you people see the programs, you need to build that one in the examination. So today's class, is the screen visible, Manoj?
Yes, sir.
ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Just give me 2 minutes. I will show you one sample code. Wait, guys. Otherwise, what I'm going to do is Manoj. Is anyone using laptop? Manoj alla. Sorry. Girls. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೇನ್ರಿ? Kaif, Kavya, Nishant. Are you using laptop? Kaif, you personally WhatsApp me. Just I ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕು. I will send the source code to you. You can run by sharing your screen. Okay, if you send me just I message in WhatsApp. I think he is fast. Two 284. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಇವನ್ ಮನೋಜು ಕಳಿಸಿದಾನೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ even I will share the code to you people in the group. I will share, guys. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯಾಕೆ. I will share the code in the group. You people log in through that one. There you need to make one change. Nishant has accepted. Nishant has requested for accept. I'm doing that one. I will share the. Mansur, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇದು ಕೋಡ್ ಮಿನಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ Mansur,
Yes, sir.
open, share your screen. Guys, you be in the meeting. I will join actually. Okay. Mansoor, I'm Kaif, share the screen, man. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Kaif, I'm audible, man.
Yes, sir.
Be a little bit louder. जोर से बात करो.
Yes, sir.
Share your screen. Hey, zoom it, man. This one, maximize it, man. Maximize your window. Maximize the window.
Just maximize on it.
Okay, done. You start from the first close the dev C++. Guys, wait. Kaif, wait for a minute, man. I will show that one first. From the starting, I will show. Now, you people, are you able to see my screen? Manoj, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಕೊಡಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, let me start from the first. So, okay. First, guys, what we are supposed to do is once again, it's a repetition for what we have done in the previous class. So, first, what we need to do is we need to open code blocks. So, in code blocks, either you can start from here, create a new project. I will maximize the window. So, what we are supposed to do is create a window, create a new project. Sorry, create a new project, or we can go to file. Both are going to work, guys. Create a project or go to file and open new. So let me start from here only. Create a new project. It is going to ask what type of project. Glut project, boss. So we need to go, we need to give the title. So what we need to do is we need to give the title. Let me give first mini project. First mini project. So we need to give next. So this is very familiar to you people. So first mini project, a folder has been opened, sources. So main, we need to come this to this main program. Control A, backspace. So from the WhatsApp only, I'm going to download the mini project once again. So let me download it. So here and there, one or two changes you need to do, guys, with respect to header files and all. Control A, Control X, Control A, Control X. So Control V. If I, after this one, after we have pasted the code, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to compile it. First we need to save it. Control S. So there is an, this IOStream header file is missing. So we will remove that one as it is of no use. So once again, run the program. guys. See here. This is the first mini project, and this is the output what we are going to get it, guys. So I'll maximize this window. So what it is asking is, it is asking the input as left button to start the show. So in the mouse I am supposed to give, guys, click on the left button to start the show. Once I am starting, so what it is asking is, it is asking to pick up the woman at the bus stop using the arrow of our keyboard. Now she has boarded the bus. Like this you need to do. So this will be our first mini project, guys. So in the afternoon, we are going to see the same program, how to interact with respect to keyboard and how to interact with respect to mouse. Okay. Kaif, now you share the screen, man, of yours. This is your first mini project. Left button of your mouse. Now you should use your keyboard. Like this, guys, you need to do. You need to first, what you are supposed to do is, you need to download some mini projects and try to compile and run it. Make sure that it is working code. The code is working. It is one of the project. Let me check. I have a few more things. ಇಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡು. Okay, let me copy this program. So this is also one of the mini project.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma?
Sir, this is Mahima.
Ah,
Sir, actually, we know the building and execution part.
okay.
Few people are having doubt regarding the configuration of code blocks. They're downloading code blocks, but they're not able to install it properly in their systems and use FreeGlut properly.
Okay.
You will create Glut project now, sir.
Yes, ma?
After that, it is asking for a path.
Okay.
In few systems, we are getting the path properly, but in other systems, we are not getting it properly.
Okay.
So they're expecting you to show how to install it and do the configuration properly.
Sure, ma. Sure, ma. That's it. Okay, I'll do. No problem.
Thank you.
Here, for the front view of the, what we can do is we can see the different views of the car, guys, in this project. Wait 1 second. I will. If anyone has installed code blocks and if it is working, someone reply this one. Someone open this file. It is working in my laptop. Someone open and show the execution. Okay, I have shared that different sides of a car, right? Program, a project that you execute. Anyone? Kaif has done. Kavya, are you using laptop, Mark?
No, sir.
Then who is using next?
Me, sir.
Yarappa, Manoja. Who's that? I did not
No,
hear.
sir. Manoj.
Nina Mado Raja. Share screen ಮಾಡು. Screen share ಮಾಡು. Guys, any 4 people can use these 2 projects. At last, if you don't find any projects, ಮನೋಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?
Sir.
Okay. Manoj, are you having any difficulty, man?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡು. Guys, what about the assignment? Everyone reply Z. Let me check how many people are online. What about the assignment? I think today or tomorrow is the due date, right?
Tomorrow, sir.
You complete that one. Third assignment, I will give just some 3 questions, guys. I don't want to make you people burden. Monday, I will give third assignment, which will be just 3 questions, not more than that one. It spans for 1.5 page. I think Manoj is having some issues. So let me only run the program. See here, see here, guys. If I press 1, front view, 2, back view, 3, side view, FB. I will take photo of this one once again. So let me see. Open the door. C, close the door. B, move backward. I think L or I. Stop S. Front view 1, 2, 3, side view. Did you people see these many changes? Did you people see all the changes? Opening the door, closing the door, move forward, move backward. That is F. FB, SOC. FB, SOC. FB, SOC. 1, 2, 3. Like this you need to do, guys. Guys, what I'm going to do is I will share a link how to download Dev C++. Okay, and only 6 people are there: Manishu, Rakesh Reddy, Praveen Prajwal. Good people: Nishant, Kavya, Bashyam, Kiran, Pawan, Kaif, Manish, Deepika, Praveen, Rashik Reddy. Guys, I think only a few people. Hey, open your laptops and try to install Dev C++, man. Okay. Sir, anything better, Basham, you ask the question. You go for code blocks only, man. Because in our college, we use code blocks. How many of you are using code blocks now? How many of you are successfully completed using code blocks? Successfully running in code blocks? Someone reply. Kaif. Hey, can you show the demo, man, once? In Linux? No, in Linux. Windows, I will arrange, man. By afternoon, I will arrange. Okay. Guys, now, as of now, do one thing. Don't log out from the session. Don't log out from the session. Just stay in the session and just stay in the session. And if you have any other works, please carry on that one. Let the session go till 10:20. Okay. Let the session go till 10:20. Even Let's meet in the afternoon, guys. Around 2:30 to 3:30 we shall meet in the afternoon session, and let us complete 2 programs today. Let us complete 2 programs today. Okay. Stay in the meeting only. But those people are live. Basham, Rakesh Reddy, Praveen, and everything. Live. Try to download the projects. Try to download the projects and ensure that it will be smooth, guys. Today afternoon we shall see 2 programs of the syllabus. Okay, thank you.